the current government position. Let me take us through as follows. The government will double the number of passports it targets to issue this year to at least 1 million, while giving 3 million digital national IDs during the same period. So 1 million new passports and 3 million digital IDs. The new targets are part of an ambitious drive to make it easier for Kenyans to access registration documents. Currently, there has been a backlog of over 700,000 Kenyans who have been waiting to get passports. Actually, to be precise, it was 681,000 sometimes back, and a similar number of IDs as well. So if you have the target of about 1 million and 3 million, then you are able to sort out that one. The government also hopes to raise the revenue generated from its services, which is collected on the eCitizen digital platform, to a daily average of 1 billion per day for the same period. And you may ask yourself why. When you are able to get this money, the efficiency then removes corruption and gridlocks, and it ensures that you don't need to have fast track because of efficiency, but also those resources are also plowed back to ensure the very efficiency that needs to be sustained going forward in the Japanese spirit of Kaizen, of continuous improvement. The government believes that these are realistic targets based on the strategic improvements, and that investments that we have made to our vital personal registration and documentation systems are going to bear fruits sooner than later. Also targeted for a major boost in generated revenue is the issuance of electronic travel authorization, ETA, that replaced entry visas to the country, with the government hoping for at least 5 million visitors in the medium term. President William Ruto abolished all visas